Dear students, in this segment of class 10 science, we will see pH value. What is pH value? Before we get into the pH value, few questions I am putting. How do we measure the length, breadth, height or even a distance? Simply in terms of centimeter, millimeter, meter or even kilometer if the distance is very long. In the same manner, how do we measure any weight? In terms of milligram, gram, tons, quintal. How do we measure time? Minute, second, hour. And how do we measure sound? In terms of hertz. Light in terms of candela. So what we see, all the physical quantities, they have certain unit to measure. Same is for the pH value. pH value is also the reporting value of acidity or the basicity of any acid or base. If it is acid, how far it is stronger, how much it is weaker. Even for the base also the same thing, how far it is stronger and how far it is weaker. That idea is given by pH value. So how can we know the strength? Simply here you see few acids I have written, that is HCl, HNO3 and acetic acid. What is acid? Acids are those substances which when dissolved in water they gives H plus ion. So here you are seeing that HCl, HNO3 and acetic acid on getting dissolved in water they all are furnishing H plus ion. Now as they are acid they all are giving H plus ion, but difference is what? In release amount of H plus ion concentration. So here when HCl, HNO3 and acetic acid of same strength, again I repeat, when HCl, HNO3 and acetic acid of same strength are dissolved in 1 liter water, then you will find difference in the concentration of the released H plus ion by these acids. It is because HCl and HNO3 being stronger in nature, they will be giving more number of H plus ion, but acetic acid being weaker in nature, it will be giving less number of H plus ion. Now the released number of H plus ion, that is their acidic strength, and if we take the negative log of that H plus ion concentration, we get the pH value. So what is pH value? pH value is after getting the concentration of the released H plus ion. If we are taking the negative log of that concentration, we will get the pH value. Same is for the base. Base will be giving OH minus sign, like here you can see NaOH, a base which is when dissolved in water it is giving OH minus sign. So concentration of OH minus sign, if you take negative log of that, you will get the POH value. So pH and POH value is the negative log of the released H plus ion concentration or negative log of released OH minus concentration. Now pH plus POH, that is equal to 14. So here you can see the pH scale. In pH scale you will be seeing that it starts from 0 and ends to 14. So in between these two you will find one numeric number, that is 7. So 7 stands for the neutral nature of any solution. If any solution is having a pH value of 7 like pure water, it will be having neutral nature. And all the solutions which will be having pH value in between 0 to less than 7, they all will be acidic in nature. So pH value from 0 it will be highly acidic, goes on decreasing, at 7 it becomes neutral. And all those solution whose pH value is more than 7 and up to 14, they all are basic in nature. So pH value above 7, the basic nature starts and it goes on increasing, and at 14 the solution has got the highly basic nature. So this pH scale was given by Sorensen. Now how can we get the pH value of any acid or any base. So here you can see some of the examples which I have solved, like n by 10 HCl solution. So n by 10 HCl solution, n here is what? Normality. Again, it is the unit of concentration of HCl. N by 10. So n stands here for normality. So n by 10 HCl, 10 can be written as 10 to the power minus 1. Now as it is a stronger acid, so same concentration of H as it will be giving when dissolved in water. So for pH value, what we have to take? We have to take negative log of 10 to the power minus 1, because in the formula you can see here, pH equals to minus log of H plus ion. So H plus ion, what we have got here? 10 to the power minus 1. So that 10 to the power minus 1 we are putting in the formula pH equals to minus log of H plus ion, because we have to get the pH value. So H plus, that is equal to 10 to the power minus 1. Now how to get the log of 10 to the power minus 1? So if we have to get the log of any number which is having a number at its power, like x to the x which is having a number y at its power. So how to get log of that number? See here, log of x to the power y. How can we get? Simply y which is at the power, it will come here, and we will be getting log of the base number, that is x. Here x is at the base. So same thing here also you can see, log 10 to the power minus 1. Minus 1 is at the power, so minus 1 will come here, and we will get the log of base number, that is 10. So log 10 is equal to 1. Why log 10 is equal to 1? Because for getting log, total digit minus 1 we used to do. So here total digit is how much? 1 and 0, 2. So 2 minus 1, that gives 1. So ultimately log 10 equals to 1. So log 10, putting here 1, that 1 multiplied by minus 1, that gives here minus 1. And again already 1 minus is outside the bracket, because we are taking minus log. So minus minus, that makes plus, and pH comes here to be 1. So in this manner we can get the pH value. Now the second question you will be seeing here. In second question, .01 normal HNO3. So here 0.01, you can be given n by 10, n by 100, or 0.01. So 0.01, that equals to 10 to the power minus 2. At the base of 10 we are taking. So 10 to the power minus 2. Again H plus ion concentration the same, because HNO3 is also a strong acid. So same concentration of H plus ion you will be getting. Again putting into the formula pH equals to minus log of H plus ion, which H plus ion is what here? 10 to the power minus 2. So 10 to the power minus 2 I have put here. And again we have to get the log. So minus 2, again the same thing will come here. And we have to get the log of base number, that is 10. Again log 10 equals to 1. 1 multiplied by minus 2, that gives minus 2, and already 1 minus is here. So minus minus, that makes 2. So plus 2. So pH comes here to be plus 2. Now moving to another type of question. Here you have been given to find the pH value, but the given solution is n by 100 NaOH solution. So all the times question will be given to you to find the pH value. But if you have been given a basic solution, so directly you can't apply the formula pH equals to minus log of H plus ion, because with pH H plus ion stands. So if you have to get the pH value of basic solution, so first you have to get the pOH value, because OH stands with pOH. So here again NaOH is basic solution, so n by 100 0.01, which can be written as 10 to the power minus 2. So 10 to the power minus 2 I have kept in the formula pOH equals to minus log of OH minus concentration. Again the same way of taking the log, minus 2 which is at the power will come as it is, will come as it is, and we are getting the log of base number 10. Again 10 two digit minus 1, that gives 1. 1 multiplied by minus 2, that gives minus 2. Minus, and already one minus is outside the bracket, that makes plus 2. So in this manner you have got POH equals to 2, but you have been told to get the pH value. So one more formula you have seen here, pH plus POH, that makes 14. So here putting using the same formula, pH plus POH, that equals to 14. pH equals to 14 minus POH, because we have to get the pH value. So 14 minus 2, 2 you have got here the POH value. So 14 minus 2, that gives 12. So you have got here the pH value 12. So this thing you should know, that whenever you have been given a basic solution, its pH will always come above 7. And if you have been given an acid solution, its pH will come less than 7. So always you will be given to get the pH value. If it is basic solution, its pH will be coming above 7. If it is acidic solution, its pH will be coming less than 7. So be careful while solving the pH problems. With acid, use pH equals to minus log of H ion concentration. With base, use the POH equals to minus log of OH ion concentration, and then get the pH value. So I do hope now that you can solve the problems based on pH or POH value.